youth of Karachi. We are eager to welcome you here. As you can see in background, that everything is set to welcome you here. The academia is here, corporate world is here. They are waiting here to help you out on your career path. So do join us tomorrow morning, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Thank you.